Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your video projects using CapCut 2025. If you want your edits to stand out and feel more professional, or simply want to vibe up your next TikTok, learning to add and adjust music in CapCut is an essential skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to put your favorite tunes right where you want them, making your videos more engaging and fun to watch. Let's dive right in. First things first, open CapCut on your device. Whether you're working on your laptop or your phone, just launch the app and let it load up. If this is your first time using CapCut, don't worry. The interface is super friendly, with clear labels and icons. Once it's open, you'll see the main dashboard where your previous projects might show up. Or if you're brand new, it'll prompt you to jump into your first edit. Next up, click on Create New. This is going to start a fresh project for you, which is perfect if you're just testing things out or building something from scratch. You'll see several options for starting your new video, but to keep things simple and flexible, choose Blank Canvas. Picking Blank Canvas means you're starting with a clean slate. No templates, no preloaded structures. You get complete creative control. Now it's time to put something into your project to work with. Ideally, you want some video or image to pair your music with, right? So let's add media sample. Click on the Import or Add Media button and select a sample video or photo, something you want to try this out on. If you don't have anything handy, you can use any short clip, a selfie, or even a stock image. This step is important because CapCut needs one piece of media to anchor the audio timeline. Think of it as the canvas for your painting. You need something to build on. Once your media is set up, look for the audio button or tab. It's usually at the bottom or side of your workspace, depending on your device. Go ahead and click it. Here, CapCut will let you browse music either from your device or from their built-in track library. There's a surprising variety of royalty-free songs and effects available, which is great if you don't have anything prepared. For this demo, let's say you have a music file on your computer or phone. Simply drag and drop the audio track right into the timeline below your video. If you're more comfortable, you can use the Import button instead of dragging. Both work. Don't worry if it takes a second for CapCut to load the audio, especially with longer tracks. Now comes the crucial part. Adjusting the durations. This step can really make or break how your video feels. Notice how the audio you've added might be longer or shorter than your visual media. No stress. Just click and drag the ends of the music track in the timeline to make sure it matches the length of your video. Or maybe you want the music to start a bit later or fade out before the end. It's almost like aligning puzzle pieces so that everything fits together perfectly. Take a moment to preview your project by pressing play and make tweaks until the timing feels smooth. Real editors often spend an extra minute here. A gentle fade or a clean cut can make your video feel much more polished. And that's it. You've added music to your project in CapCut 2025. From here, you can export your video, share it, or dive even deeper with the sound effects and additional audio layers. If your video doesn't sound quite right at first, don't worry. Just experiment a bit with track positions and durations. Sometimes a little trial and error is the best way to discover what works. Alright, I hope this walkthrough helped you get more confident using music for your edits. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on mastering CapCut and other creative tools. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!